So the schools are starting back in Scotland, and for a lot of people it'll be their first day of high school, and I can hear already the mums are panicking because they don't know how to tie their tie. So here's a very quick and easy tutorial for how to tie a school tie, so you don't have to panic on the first day of term. So wrap the tie around the neck, long end, the wide end about fingertip length, and you're going to go wide end over narrow end twice, once, twice, and then up the back, what we call the neck hole, and then down the front, that bit that you just made there, down the front. Pull the front bit to tighten, and then slide it up to the collar, and it's as simple as that. You can even do it with just one flip over if you think that's going to be easier. But that's just your classic school tie, also known as the 4-in-hand knot, and it's as easy as that.